Yes, people, my name is Diawarrior, aka Diawarrior, and this is the 6th episode of Diawarrior Music History. And in this episode now we're gonna be at Spragga Benz and Kevin Lyttle video shoot done by Jonestown, you know. And when in those days when you're having a video shoot, you know, the whole community is there, you know, everybody from the school children right up to the grandmother, you understand, everybody want to see what is happening. And you know, in this video shoot now you also have the artists them roll out, you don't know, Bling, Dawg roll out and Anthony Red Rose, and I want to tell you, say even Busy Signal dead, but Busy Signal never just step out and have block them time, you understand, so I'm just a whole low profile, just a go and all the vibes in the background and I go and see what I go on. You don't know Spragga Benz and Briggy Benz and you don't know Red Rat, you know, in those days. You understand, a lot of the artists them turn out, so check it out, people. 881 99622 622. Alright.
I can't take it. I saw it go. Jam bass and Jingo on the street. Boom, boom, every minute. Alright.
We're on the talent show. We have a park road. Silver slippers. Agno Park and half a tree. Alright, we are circling when we are coming back. So we are linked Spragga Benz bus and then we go link you. Yes, people. Finally reach at Jonestown now. You see me I say? You don't know an Indecka driving up. You know, big artist Indecka, and you don't know you have Jamaics when the thing kick off, and Jamaics down there in the car to see me. You don't know Jingo Bram from Jack Stevie in them time in the car with a palm with Jingo see me. You don't know. Cover the road, you understand? So right now we're at Jonestown and I say them time there. Everybody out to see the music video. Check it out.
Jonestown,
you don't know whether at Jonestown, you don't know Sir Jack Stevie, Jingo, Builders Crew, Daya, Jamaica, you don't know, Kevin Lyttle video shoot. We look for Spragga Benz as we tell you, so we left from Pancho, we head for Spragga Benz and the crew. Right now, we are Jonestown, so them there came in this video shoot.
Yes, actually. You like where to after, you understand? Put much my sound, kill shot. You understand, from a bad time with the Jonestown, you understand? Straight, that's how they feel like fresh water. So respect the massive and crew, you understand? They need to know that, so. Jackson and Tiff, you know a real thing, they need to know boom, bam.
You don't know, so we have Bling Dawg and the whole crew. Bling Dawg over there already. Red Rose.
Naturally feel like fresh water.
Jingo go under that.
That's the thing over there, everything blessed. Naturally feel like fresh water, yeah. Yes, Mr. D.
Everything blessed, man.
All of us are good. They need to know that, Mr. Red.
Everything blessed.
Straight and hard. Yes, sir. So, what did you shoot about my brother?
Why? Outstanding.
Yes, straight. But they need to know that. Just stay there.
Crazy eye.
Jam bass will think up on the street. They need to know. Boom, back. Every minute, my brother. On the arm.
Sugar stick. Sugar stick. Sugar.
Yes. Let's look at it. Everything will let that. That's how they put that for sure.
Jack Stevie.
Jam bass will think up on the street.
Yeah.
Remember, something for me, sir.
Yeah, man, everything was done.
Done with the October, save your home over the street. But the part they need to know. Elsha, Spanish Town kids and the whole entire universe.
Yeah,
really. So just go and enjoy the moment anyway. You understand the big bad Spragga Benz, you understand with the biggest shoot.
Right,
you understand?
see, you don't know. Yeah, no, we're getting different, man. Bling Dawg. Oh, aka Bling Dawg, tweeted for neat. Jack Stevie, what we say? Roll up. Put your hands in the air, this is a hold up. Cover your eye when them a big pimp just stroll up. Got the necks and the wrist well gold up. Drop it up and put your pose up. Jack TV, keep it low. Put me on. Boom, black.
I think that was one for us. Remember, straight and the big band in the show to you understand?
You don't know Scuffrey?
No, I remember Port,
Pick me have to come link with a pick, now where you there?
October, you
need to see you.
You understand that's going to be preaching a Port was straight to the ring. But the art, young talent artists here are saying this. He said they need to know. Boom!
Come in to video show. Come in little.
You know Jamaica to Jingo Bram the street, yes sir.
Red Skew, you know it's so bad. Guys represent Red Square, don't know say jam beat on the street, but you know, on the 18th of October, I don't know say a Portmore skating ring and bad guys are dead. So what you know, a Portmore ladies, you know you're my babies, no if, no but, no babies, you know, so the third talent show. Where's the third talent show? So what you know? The girl me want you shake up your glass, wind up your ass, jiggle up your chest, your breast, and flapping at her ass when they bait them a pass. Red Skew. You know, say a jam beat on the street, but you don't know, say a bad girl guys represent Red Square. You know, say the 18th of October, you know, over there, watching a bad girl guys alongside. Oh, Briggy Benz. What you know, I don't know, so what you know. A Portmore skating ring there.
And a bill last thing.
Straight. I don't know, say half of the day. And the third hour, the talent show, talent exposure, the third, say, you don't know, say. So the ladies, them, you don't know, say Portmore ladies, you know you're my babies, no if, no but, no maybes. Woman, me want you shake up your glass, wind up your... Jiggle up your chest, your breast, and flapping at her. When they bait them a pass in a 8.5 plus 2 with a crew ever last.
So girl, me want you shake up your glass, wind up your, and step in at the video like the eye them knock your ass, and bounce man a girl, you are the real pepper sauce, them a Jason, without the man.
They don't know say a jam beat on the street, kick it, out more.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, that's what I feel like question. So respect all the young talents straight for. I know jam beat with Jingo deep on the street.
Red Square.
Yeah, I like the youth, them talent, show them face. Yes, and no matter where them there, you understand, share, but not about this present moment where after video show, you understand, for the big man, Spragga Benz, you understand, share, a good story there, you understand, share, they need to
you see that? See, a beer artist that the video should see me and represent live and direct, you see what I say? And you don't know, we did the video shoot, but we have to see what we're going, because you see that video, you know, a Kassa, you know, direct it, you see what I say? And portion of people, you don't know the full detail everybody, but we know so Kassa they're deaf on the job and we have to go take a peep and see what going on in the video shoot. Check out these people.
Watch it.
Jamaica Jingo Bram the street. You understand, Portmore, don't know number we are at. If it's shooting, you understand, straight for Spragga Benz. You understand, straight that for the ends, they need to know that. That's all if you like fresh water. So it's a Portmore the slugger.
Yeah. But you don't know, say Spragga Benz there on the ends. You say, me I say, we say, boy, we did the video shoot and them thing. You don't know, say, don't know me and Spragga are brethren. So me I say, so me say, oh, forget Spragga yell up on them thing there and say, oh, go on, because you don't know. Just cover the road there. So me I say, I go sub up and go check Spragga Benz and you know say right behind Spragga to the left hand side, you know who that? Busy signal. So me I say, so busy signal they run the man them long time to see him way, you understand? That before busy signal bust the real way. And you know it's a pleasure if you can see enough of the man them from where them are come from, you know, so which part them they right now, cause just so, you know, a tree, you know, just grow big so it grow from a little baby seed and it come up to a little plant to a monster tree. So it's good to see where a lot of the artists them are come from and be able to see where them don't know and say yes, give thanks most high, you don't know the journey long and thing, but the man them make it. You understand? Blessing. So check out Spragga Benz and Kevin Lyttle and more artists.
Street, you understand, 8 and a bit they need to know Jamaica with Jingo Bram the street. This ends, yes my brother. Yes my brother.
Yo, I see Portmore, I bring it to you, see me? Enough talent over Portmore, 300,000 people live over there, and most have even 3 bad DJ and 2 bad singers. So we have a talent exposure, the third.
Naturally.
Yeah, so you just know that skating ring started. It's the 18th now, we got the Gallop release part where all of the big artists in the Gallop, they know that. Spragga Benz, Red Square Crew, Sugar Slick, Briggy, Assassin, Bounty Killer, Sean Paul, Determined, Wyclef John, Vibes Cartel, all of them
Gallop party, the
Gallop party, that's the 18th.
Naturally feel like fresh water.
Skating ring, we have to bring it to you. See?
They need to know.
Red Square, right up in there. Crazy!
I would about the video shoot I go on the side.
Yeah, we're up on the video show right now for Kevin Lyttle. Because soca thing still, but it's a whole vibe, the same car. You don't know diversify and versatile. Seeing every music, West Indian music, Caribbean music, dancehall music, reggae music, hip-hop music, and we are doing. That's it.
It's all about music.
Bless.
Jamaica jig up on the street.
Yeah, man.
Boom, back.
Large up there, large up all the people move up more for sure.
Have a minute, straight of the art.
Tweet to Finita.
I'll Bling Dawg the fan with him train. I don't know how I forget him. Stand up right beside me. Red Rod. Mother Joe.
Talent in Portmore, keep it locked.
Dark Plate Bashman, they on that thing with brown teeth. Floating. They on that thing with the rhythm name, brown teeth.
Floating glasses.
Floating glasses. Boom, bam. From the art, they need to know that. Straight.
See it? Anna.
Straight from the art, brother.
Yeah,
they need to know that.
Red Square promotion, I'm for know.
Yes, straight. I don't know so Red Square how are you. That's why I say they need to know that.
Bling Dawg, roll 9 yards. You this to the Gallop CD coming October. Just check the cover.
Yeah.
You understand? October, they're in the streets everywhere. Gallop, right show. We have a whole production and we have crazy music we going to Jamaica. The whole Jamaica Portmore Spanish on everybody. Look out, Billions music coming at you. Kevin Lyttle there now, catch peace time there.
Kevin.
Kevin Bam Bevin, City 11, 5-7, 5-7. How's school today, little one? How's school today? Fine, okay, good to hear that, glad to know that and learn, yeah baby? Shit, and don't give my man that in the trouble, you know? Alright, yeah. Port boy Joe Stone with that, you understand shit?
Okay, think you see them guys.
Yes, people, and you don't know that's the Gallop CD. You don't know with the Gallop Mad Sick Head No Good. You understand? #1 song all over the world. You know, say Gallop is noted for change the tempo in a dancehall music because I was the one that brought the dancehall music to 120 BPM, and you know that the sound man even got speed it up even faster than that. You know, back in the days, them have the beat at 95 and 98 BPM. So when we can go 120, enough people that couldn't even believe because the place get mad. You understand? Gallop turn up the whole music business. You understand? #1. You understand? So I remember buck up Kurt Riley in an island grill one night time, and Kurt Riley I say, yo, that I said I heard him there. And me hear it and I say too fast, me never go play it, you know. But you say me see it and mash up the whole place. Me I say, no sir. I go jump on that thing and start beat it. So when rhythm body bad, I say it go. So you don't know. Finally, I will get to catch up with Kevin Lyttle right now and don't know I have to big up Bling Dawg and you understand? All of the man them did it on the thing to see him we are support the thing and big up the thing. You see me I say? You understand? So listen to Kevin Lyttle live with him song Turn Me On, you understand? Him and Spragga Benz. This is the video shoot for the actual song. So you can go and check out the song to see him where. You understand? This is Turn Me On and Kevin Lyttle. Check out Kevin Lyttle live.
Jamaica jig up on the street.
Kevin Lyttle is saying that you are a big international artist right now from St. Vincent. I represent, see it? Turn Me On, so true name. Talk a bit large.
Have a minute. Yeah man, give it to me. Let me hold you. Caress my body. You turn me on. So come and just hug me, kiss me, squeeze me, hug me, girl, and kiss and caress me. Hey, 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 oh yeah, you're done now. All about love, Kevin Lyttle says. Jamaica jig up on the street more.
Alright, we're going to show back the video later.
Have a minute, you understand, bro? Crazy. That channel, pure like fresh water. Vibe is just nice, vibe is just right. You understand, Bournemouth people, just beautiful. You understand, straight.
Spragga Benz.
Every minute, that's everything goes on, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, straight. You're not funny, that's Bugs Bunny. You need to know that. Jamaica jig up on the street. That's why you have to ticket?
Yeah.
Just a moment, yeah, baby, don't move now.
Nah.
You understand? Shit, they need to know Portmore, remember the 18. You understand, all about the Gallop party, you understand, Portmore skating ring, featuring all the top artists and the Gallop with him. You understand, shit, so they need to know that Portmore from the art, from Jingo session, you know, so the tingle, you understand, because if I think of the rate, you would not deal with that. They need to know from the art,
Yeah, them said them not ready for yet. That Kevin alone for that scene. So, just about all that vibe. The street over. Yeah.
need 2 tickets. To get the Gallo party.
Yeah,
the 18th of October, Portmore Skating Ring.
Yeah, we want to be
And
there.
baby, don't move here. That's why I feel like first water because ticket is here for you. Yeah, and she, you understand?
Yeah.
They need to know. I want to be there. Ticket them straight already.
Ticket?
Yeah, and they after them.
I'm free.
Boom, boom, free.
Yeah.
Hold on. That's a free, you know.
A free, alright.
Yeah, that's a free, you know. You understand? Straight, I don't know. The turnout support.
Yeah, we have to wine everybody out. We have to wine and shake and give the rock out. And go on.
Yeah, whoa. That's a standing up. That's some Portmore, that's how we roll. Yoga. That's all for that first water does. So we roll. You know we can't show the iPad those who we can cool already.
Hey, Sugar Slip this, you know. Big artist.
Yeah, there is.
I love you are so beautiful. Yeah, man. In this.
Say me, give them piece of a big
To the world, I dedicate this song.
Know that.
White Chinese and
You know next
you're the best thing in my life.
Know that.
Girl, I love you.
You don't know that a Sugar Slick a while ago, you know. A Sugar Slick a big singer, sing to the world, you understand, with Assassin and Girl I Love You, and you know, only thing I did was Love You, and you understand. You have to check out Sugar Slick, him album out right now to see him with My Emotion and Builders Music. And you know, Builders Music making positive music for life, and we have a large catalog of music out there, and right now we are trying to get it from the forefront so people can check out Builders Music, but we've been in this thing long time doing it, and we have to thank the people and once more again. Check out Diawarrior Music History Part 6, and you understand, next week also we come with Part 7, you know, we're going to put in the work and show the people and where we are come from and what this thing about. So big up the people, and please like and subscribe and share and turn on the bell icon, see them and big up the thing, you understand? We could do this. Out.